Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to activate or set up your Google Voice on your computer. This is a great benefit if you're going to be making phone calls home to parents. You can make these calls from your computer so you don't have to be using your personal cell phone and giving out your personal number. First things first, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel so you can keep up with the latest and greatest. But voice from Google is a really neat feature to be using. The way you access voice is by going voice.google.com. I am going to click on for personal use, and here it gives you Android, iOS, or web. I would select web only because once you have this set up, if a parent calls the number they got the call from, it's actually, and you set it up through your phone, they can reach you on your phone. They're not going to have your actual number, but they can still reach you. So I would always do the web version, and I'm going to go through the whole process like as if it's a brand new account that I'm setting up. I'm going to click on continue. And here if you're lucky, you'll be able to find some in your area code. If you're not, you're going to have to select the number that you find that's available. Now, this can be very easily, if you tell your parents, I'm going to be calling you, but I'm going to be calling you from an 804 number or a 727 number, and those are not your typical area codes, your parents will know it's you and they'll answer. So that's why you have to set it up ahead of time so that you know what your phone number is, and at least tell the parents, I'm going to call you from a phone number that has the area code whatever was assigned to you, so that they know to answer. So I'm just going to select the first one that's available. It's going to ask me to verify. Here you're going to put your personal cell phone number, and it's going to ask you to verify it. So make sure you put your actual personal cell phone number, put in the code. So now this account has been linked to my personal phone. And this phone number that's here, I'm gonna save it because this is my new phone number when I'm gonna be using Google Voice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and remember this number, save it on my phone, save it on a Word document somewhere so that you don't forget it. Then I'm gonna click on finish. So it kind of tells you like a welcome screen. So the reason I recommend you use your computer whenever you're going to be using Google Voice is because you can dial the number here that you're going to be calling, and you can dial from here. You're going to use your computer as your phone. But also the reason that you want to use the Google Voice on your computer is because it also keeps a log of when you've called. So if they ever ask you, where is the proof that you've been trying to get a hold of a parent, or where's the proof, where are your call logs, the computer will keep track of the call logs that have come through this phone number. You can set this up on your own using your personal account so that you can make calls from home during this virtual learning situation that we're in, without the parents picking up on your actual phone number. All right, if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.